Before we started music, we had Ace and Sour. I saw the truth, would turn it down, then I heard the sirens. I pull over, man, but I keep it silent.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm a little sick right now, so don't mind my voice and my nose and everything. So today we got the front upper control arms from Godspeed. The tires also came in, so we're gonna work on that today. So these came in last night, pretty late, I would say. So now these bad boys, this is how they come. I can't get them out. Shit. I feel like shit. So thank God it's not COVID. Weren't there supposed to be things in? Unless they came in separate. Oh, okay, yeah, they came in separate. Okay, so these are the bags that come, the lower drives. I mean, yeah, and then. Okay, so we're gonna work on this right now real quick. I'm about to clock out of work and then work on these. The tires are gonna get put on later on when my wife gets home. She's not here, so once she gets home, I'm gonna get those done as soon as possible. And yeah, I'm gonna work on this and show you guys the process. Holy shit, nobody explained to me how hard cotter pins are, bro. So there's a one end, so the cotter pin goes in like this and then goes around. I took this part and kind of brought it out, and I was able to get it out. Boom. So it's like that. So I took this end, brought it out, and yeah.
We got a problem.
We're back at it at the control arms, and guess who showed up? He's somewhere around there. Yeah, right here. He's somewhere around there. But anyways, Brandon showed up, so now we're back doing this shit. We got it off thanks to this guy over here. He's walking. He's over there somewhere. Yeah, he's in the car. There you go. See him? That's the guy. That's the guy. He pulled up. Loyalty. It's like 8 o'clock at night. Where's the old control arm? So we got it out. This shit was, look at this shit, it's dancing. It's dancing.
You want me to do it?
So
You can't get the PP in though?
I can get the PP in. Hold on, let me try at least. The easy part is taking it out. Since it says
The
who.
easy part is putting it back in. I mean, the hard part is putting it back in. Making sure you do everything right.
Pretty much, I just gotta tighten it. I just need the drill. I don't know if you have the drill.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Yeah, you got it in one shot.
Yeah.
Not like
I
me.
got the easy one.
Word.
Yeah, everybody got the easy one.
Wow. Meanwhile, it took me like 3 years to put mine in. Over it.
This angle right here is a bitch.
So this was I think this was a 17, right? That was a 17, that's a 14, right?
Yep.
There you go. And that's it. And a little strength.
Wait till you like change out these lower ones, the control arms.
Yeah.
It's a bitch, bro.
Really?
Like, bro, I had to disconnect, I think 212 to 214 right here that holds like the cross member.
Yeah.
Where you got like bend that shit way down, bro.
Oh, nah.
And like that shit was a bitch.
Alright, just like that, we got everything done. Took us literally less than 15-30 minutes once Brandon came. But yeah, we got the the kits on the car now, the upper control arms, and tomorrow's another day. And hopefully we get the tires on the car, on the stocks, and then we should review the car from there on out. Thank you for tuning in and seeing my struggles. Thanks Brandon for pulling up, and you'll see more.